السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. بسم الله والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله. Inshallah ta'ala, today we start new lesson, and this is for beginners and for those who wants to learn a correct pronunciation of letters. And today let's start this new lesson of Arabic alphabet, الحروف العربية. And let's begin. ألف ألف با با تا تا ثا ثا جيم جيم ها ها خا خا دال دال ذال ذال را را زا زا سين سين شين شين صاد صاد ضاد ضاد طا طا ظا ظا عين عين غين غين فا فا قاف قاف كاف كاف لام لام ميم ميم نون نون ها ها وا واو واو يا يا. Next, we will see the short vowels. Same as in English, it has vowels. Arabic also has vowels. And the first vowel, it's called Fathah. And that comes on top of the letter, and it has the sound of A. The second vowel or haraka is Kasrah. And Kasrah, it comes under the letter and it has the sound of E. The next one is Dammah, and it has the sound of U, and it is small wow that comes on top of the letter. And we have sokun, and it is small circle that comes on top of letter, and this one tells that the letter have no vowels, no fatha, kasra, or damma, then it is stopping vowel. So let's practice these letters have fatha on them. So this is letter sheen with fatha, sha, kaf, fatha, ka, ra, fatha, ra. So the word will be read shakara. Shakara means he thanked. It's a verb in past. The second one, fa with fatha, fa. Ha, it has kasra, he. Mim, fatha, ma. So the word we read fa, he, ma. Fahima, he understood. Fahima. Next, يا with فتحة يا. قاف with كسرة قي. فا with ضمة فو. Then the word will be يقف. He stops. يقف. So we have شكر فهم يقف. This is with the three vowels فتحة كسرة ضمة. Next we have fa with ضمة. It's فو. تا with كسرة تي. ها with فتحة ح. فو تي ح. فتح. Opened. كاف ضمة كو. سين كسرة سي. را فتحة را. كو سي را. كسر. Broken. Next example, we have ألف أو. كاف with كسرة كي. لام with فتحة لا. So the word will be أو كي لا. أكل. Eaten. فتح كسر أكل. More examples with short vowels. رغب. He desired. رغب. ضحك. He laughed. ضحك. He laughed. This word is all with فتحة. Say جلس. جلس. He sat. ذهب. He went. So we repeat. راغب. He desired. ضحك. He laughed. جلس. He sat. ذهب. He went. Now let's have some practice with the sokun. Then kaf with fatha and mim sukun. Kaf, ka, kam, kam. This is means how much. Kam. We have qaf with kasra, qi, and fa sukun. We say qif. Kam, qif. Mim with kasra and noon with sukun. Min, from. We have noon with fatha and waw sukun. No, نوم, نوم. Sleep. يوم, يوم. Day. بيت, بيت. Home. Then let's repeat. كم, how much. قف, stop. من, from. نوم, sleep. يوم, day. بيت, home. We came to the end of lessons today. Hope that you enjoyed and learned. And I see you next time with new lesson. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.